Supercritical fluid extraction, SFE, system, CO solvent system setup. For CO solvent extraction process, the extracts can be collected by a certain interval. Extract collection after 30 minutes, until no extract anymore. If there's no more extract left, CO solvent can be used to flush out. Ethanol can be used to feed. If needs to add entrainer to the material we extract. Commonly used as ethanol. Food grade, 95% or more. Can entrainer be added during operation? Depending on the materials, generally speaking, there is no need to add. If it is necessary to add, if it is necessary to have the cleaning, the solvent can be fed into the pot. Now that the storage tank pressure has reached to 4.5, 5.5 MPa, don't be too high. Under the conditions of 4 MPa, maximum pressure at 4.5, 5.5 MPa. In case you need to add entrainer, we usually add a food grade 95% ethanol. Let us start with the demo. It is equipped with a special pump. Add some entrainer in. It goes through the flow meter. Further goes through the pump. Feed entrainer from here to the flow meter. Mixed in the tank. Here's a venting valve. The purpose of this air venting valve is mainly used to vent the air. Open its vent valve later. Then open the pump for the entrainer. The frequency can be modified. For controlling the pump RPM, set up the frequency. Now it is 52. The value can be measured. Press Run button to initiate the pump. Waiting for a steady stream of liquid to come out of this port. Continuous flow of liquid out. That is, to run off the air inside. There's a continuous stream of liquid coming out of the outlet section. Then we can close the venting valve. When there's no ethanol, the floating ball stable, we can switch off the flow. It goes into the extractor 3 through the valve and goes into the extractor through the pressure control valve and goes to the separator. The liquid is at the bottom. The CO to go to the separator. This creates a round-trip circular loops.